Well, let's get to translocation, since you mentioned that earlier when we were talking about systemic.
Yeah, that's a good one, you know, and when we think about translocation, that's just movement, throughout the plant. That's all that means. Stuff that's translocated. And usually it's through the vascular system of the plant, you know, through the, like our arteries and veins, which is, you know, we'll throw out a couple more big terms, phloem and xylem.
Right, that's right. And I always remember xylem is xy.
Yeah, yeah.
Takes water up.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's hard. Sometimes it's hard to remember which one's which. I always have to kind of think about it. One's moving up, and one's moving down.
Yeah, phloem is moving down.
Yep.
I remember that from classes. How
Yep.
about that? Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.